Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Chris Dignam with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2009. Investors are questioning hedge fund manager James Simons about the performance of his funds. According to the Wall Street Journal, investors have raised doubts regarding why a fund held by Simons and fund associates earned profits while another held mostly by outside investors lost money. Simons, who runs Renaissance Technologies, was questioned about why the Renaissance institutional equities lost 17% this year through April, while Medallion, held nearly exclusively by Simons and his colleagues, rose 12%. Staying with hedge fund news, SRM Global has claimed that Bank of America CEO Kenneth Lewis should have known important financial information about Countrywide Financial before acquiring it last year. According to the Financial Times, the Monaco-based hedge fund has filed a complaint against former Countrywide CEO Angelo Mazzillo and other top executives who claim the company was financially sound. SRM, which had bought shares of Countrywide from 2007 to 2008, planned to oppose the sale to Bank of America until June 2008. And in more hedge fund news, investigators from the Serious Fraud Office have apprehended two persons supposedly involved in a fraud in the collapsed London hedge fund manager Weavering Capital. According to the Financial Times, the SFO was probing deals between the Weavering Macro Fixed Income and Weavering Capital Fund, which is said to have raised Macro's net asset value. The investigation is focused on certain interest rate swap transaction between the Macro Fund and British Virgin Islands registered Weavering Capital Fund, believed to be related to the Macro Fund. And in other hedge fund news, fund manager Pengana Capital has closed its Australian Property Securities Fund. According to Investor Daily, Pengana has also set up a new Asian long-short real estate securities fund. It is setting up the Asian long-short property fund to make the best use of the growth opportunities in the region. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online and read the full stories and the latest developments.